Hi everyone, this is Arushi and I'll be taking your introduction to Behance session. So, what exactly is Behance? It is a social media platform for creatives to showcase their work, network with peers, and find job opportunities. It is a part of the Adobe Creative Cloud and it is used by designers and creative professionals to basically showcase their work, network with industry professionals, and so on. So, why exactly are we using Behance? To showcase your portfolio, whatever projects you're making, you can showcase it through Behance. Other than that, you can look at other people's projects to get inspiration, and you can also make mood boards of them. And other than that, you can network with industry professionals and gain exposure. And Behance also provides with job opportunities as well. We'll look into that when we go on to Behance. So yes, first you log in normally. Either you can do it through your Adobe account if that exists, or you can do it normally through your Google account. So to set up your Behance profile, you'll just normally log in through your Adobe account or normally through your Google account, and you'll normally fill in your profile details like your name, bio, location, like you would normally do in any platform, social media platform. So one of the best features of Behance is that you can use it to get inspiration from other people's projects. Like here you can see I've searched for 3D art and there's a lot of projects that show up, and you can also use the filter option to look for different kinds of projects. Like if you want to look specifically for assets or images, and you can also search according to the tool. Like if you want to look specifically for Illustrator art or Photoshop art, so you can look specifically for that. Starting a mood board, basically whenever you find something that interests you, or if you want to save it in some form, so you can create a mood board. Anything that you find inspirational or you think it interests you, you can just create a mood board, name it normally, and then you can just add it to that mood board. So the main feature of Behance is that you can get to showcase your work globally to other people. Like you'll see this feature, create a project, where you can upload the projects that you create and showcase them to people. And it is recommended that you upload high quality images and detailed descriptions. Again, we will go into that more when we open Behance. So another feature of Behance is that you can engage with a community of people, creative professionals, etc. Like whenever you open a project, you'll see a lot of options here on the side. Like first of all, if you like a project, there's an appreciate option. You can appreciate the person's work. Other than that, you can save it to your mood board as I showed you earlier. You can message the person if you like their work, connect with them. You can also follow them. So if you want to look at more of their work, you can follow them. So the benefits of being active in the community is you can connect with people, and you can get feedback on your own work, and you can also get opportunities to collaborate with people on projects. There's also filter and search options. You can look specifically for fonts, templates, vectors, etc. And you can filter them by a price. A lot of the assets available on Behance are pro options, like you have to pay for them, but you can always look at them for inspiration or ideas. Yes, so Behance also provides you with job opportunities. Like you go to this option, jobs, and you can look for jobs and search for them by categories. Like uh, as you can see, there's logo design, branding services, social media design, etc. There's a lot of job listings available here. So you can apply to them through your Behance profile. Behance also has a pro option. As a student, I wouldn't recommend getting it as such, but there's a lot of interesting options available. Like you can make your own customized portfolio website, and you can see who is appreciating your work. This is not really of your interest right now, but you can explore the different options that are available. Yes, most importantly, when you upload projects or showcase your work, you should always have an idea of the analytics, like how is the project doing, is it getting attention, is it getting appreciation. You can always monitor your profile, like you go to your stats, so you can see view counts and appreciations and follower growth through that, and you can see what type of projects are getting the most attention. Other than that, we also have these other features, like you can live stream on Behance and you can also watch other people's live streams. And yeah, you can also showcase your case studies of projects and services that you are offering. Yeah, so we'll just do a recap and then we'll move on to Behance. So, as we saw, Behance is a very powerful platform for creatives to showcase their work, get inspired, and network with industry professionals. It provides a lot of opportunities for exposure and it also gives you inspiration, while you can also collaborate with other people. Yeah, so we'll just move on to Behance now. That's it for the presentation. Yeah, so we'll start with Behance now. So as you can see, we've opened the Behance website. So if you have an Adobe account, you can go about it through that. And here we'll just log in normally through Google. Yeah, so when you first sign up to Behance through your Google profile, you will see there's an option to pick topics. Like for if any of these fields interests you, you should select that. So it will curate your For You page according to this. For example, I like graphic design and I like UI UX and I also like game design, for example. So I'll just go to see my custom field. So it will curate your For You page according to the fields that you select. So here we have just signed up to Behance and selected the fields that interest us. Now as you can see, there's this list with checkbox here. We have followed a few creative fields here like I showed you. Now perform a search. If you want to specifically look for something for inspiration, you can just search here. Like I want to look at 3D art. Yeah. So you can see there's a lot of 3D art projects here. Now if okay, I like this one. So see, you can take a look at the whole project here. Yeah. So if you like the project, you can always appreciate the creator. You can also save it to your mood board. For example, now we'll create a mood board for 3D art. I'll just name it 3D art and create. So now I am saving this project to my 3D art mood board. Yeah. And you can always just follow the creator if you want to look at the rest of their work. Like this creator, I have just followed this person, and you can look at all of their work that is available. Yeah, so now as you can see, this project is saved to the mood board that I created right now. So now we'll take a look at the Behance profile option. So you just logged in with your Google account. Now you can edit your profile here. It is recommended that you add as much information as possible to uh, let people know what your work is all about. So like you need to just normally fill in these options like you would on another social media platform like LinkedIn or something. You can also create and join teams through here, and other than that you can also add your other social media links here. Yeah, so that's all. You need to just fill in your profile like you would on any other social media platform. Now we'll take a look at the job options. Like you can see there's a lot of job listings available on Behance, and you can look for them, filter through search categories that are available, like social media design. There's a lot of job listings available, and you can take a look at them. So now while you have your Behance profile open, you can see this option, create a project. This is where you will be uploading your projects that you want to showcase and show to other people or add to your Behance profile when you're applying for jobs. So while you have your Behance profile open, this is where you will be uploading your projects. So you can see this create a project option. You'll add all of your projects here through this option, and they will be visible to people who are looking to hire you, or just people who are trying to network with you. These projects will be visible on your Behance profile. So we'll just create a project here. So when you click on create a project, you will see these options to start building your project. Um, yeah, so we'll just upload an image here just for showing you. We just took this picture from FreePic. So yes, I just uploaded a picture here. Now you can add the relevant tags. It is recommended that you add tags so that it is visible to people more. So like you can just add, like for example, I'm just randomly adding tags here just to show you, like 3D and Photoshop. Yeah, so I've added these tags here. And you can continue with this. Now you'll give your project a title. You'll add the tags here and whatever tools that you've used. For example, I'll just give this a title. I'll just put my name in here. Project tags, like it also suggests you tags according to what you've uploaded. You can also change the cover image. This is just like a thumbnail that you would see in a YouTube video. You can change the cover image to, so I've uploaded the image, and now you'll give your project a title. I've just put in my name here. Other than that, you will add the tags here again, and it also suggests you the tags that you can add. I'll just add person, photography, model. You just add the relevant tags to your project, and you'll write what projects, what tools you've used in your project. So I used Photoshop, for example. So I'll add that here, and you can also check in whatever category suits this project. I'm just randomly filling it here for now. Yeah. So, and you can select the visibility if you want it visible to everyone or if you want it private. I'll just keep it for everyone, and I'll publish the project. Yeah, so we have published our very first project on Behance, and you can also just share the link with other people to showcase your work. Other than all of this, Behance normally works like any other social media platform. You can message other people and they can message you to connect with different people, and like notifications options. So yeah, other than you showcasing your work and the job options, hiring and looking for inspiration, the Behance also has the normal options that any other social media platform would. Yeah, so that is it for Behance. I would recommend that you sign up to Behance, create an account, and just get familiar with the interface of Behance. And whenever you make a project, you can upload it to your profile and showcase it to other people. So, yeah, that is it. Thank you.